Don't turn around, Clara.
What are you doing?
Come here a sec.
I'm already running late.
Please?
Where is Clara?
Hey, Aunt Jenny.
Hey, Claire Bear.
Guess who just...
Spent the last half hour with the coolest guy in school.
Oh my God.
Don't tell my mom about this.
You know she gets.
Yeah, no, of course I won't.
Sometimes it scares me how good of a liar you are.
Life can have a funny way of surprising you. My mom got pregnant with me when she was 18. She and my dad were high school sweethearts. My Aunt Jenny also ended up with her high school boyfriend, Jonah. I thought we would be one big happy family forever. But the universe had other plans.
I'm very sorry. Your husband and sister were in a car accident. We did everything we could.
Don't you want to know why they were together?
Were they having
Don't say it.
I mean, what else could it be?
No.
I just lost my dad and my aunt. I just want to leave.
It's been a long year.
Then let's leave.
And we couldn't know that the sun was collapsing.
It feels like there's this wall between her and me.
You remember that age? Everything felt so complicated.
Claire Grant!
That can't be good.
Get in the car! 1 second.
I just don't want to forget them. My mom's trying to make it like my dad never even existed.
My fingers ticking.
Tell her the truth.
It would absolutely destroy her. Smiling feels wrong right now. Like it's too soon to be happy.
That's not how I thought our first kiss would be like.
How did you think it would be?
Keep my hand in yours.
I'm not gonna let their betrayal dictate the rest of my life.
You keep using me to piss your mom off, and I'm done with it.
What aren't you telling me?
There's a lot I wish I'd done differently. But I'll never spend 1 second regretting you. You deserve to be happy. No regrets, right?